So welcome back to my channel. My name is GK. Follow me on GK's name. We are here at Kuimba Shiri. So we are now at the entrance. Kuimba Shiri is a bird park at Lake Chivero in Zimbabwe. Let's go. Kuimba Shiri, Lake Chivero. What are those guys doing? What kind of game is this one? Huh? So we just arrived at Kuimba Shiri in Lake Chivero. It's about 30 km, I think, away from Harare. So this is the place, Kuimba Shiri. So Kuimba Shiri is a bird park here at Lake Chivero. So you can see, the car park is full of cars, which means people are coming to visit. So please guys, come and visit Kuimba Shiri at Lake Chivero. It's a nice place to be, especially on a Sunday. Kuimba Shiri restaurant. There's a restaurant here as well at Kuimba Shiri. It's a beautiful place to be. You can do lots and lots of activities here. So let's get inside. Says welcome to the bird park. So we're going to the bird park. They don't want cooler box and food. So visit Kuimba Shiri. We've got a nice restaurant here. That's a buffalo. So the lake starts from here. This is the lake. Lake Chivero. Got boats here too as well. So this is the lake. I'm near the water. And this side here, the water is cleaner. It's a bit clean than the other side there. Yeah, a bit cleaner. So we got horses here as well. Other guys there, they are fishing. Fishing activity. Did you catch anything? Wow. You almost there? You're fishing, huh? You can do rowing too as well here when you come here. Lots and lots of activities here. Today we are showcasing Kuimba Shiri here at the lake. It's about 30 km away from town, Harare. And this is Lake Chivero. So I've just visited a place called Kuimba Shiri. It's a sanctuary for birds. So right now I'm gonna go inside and I'll show you guys different types of birds that we've got here in Zimbabwe. So let's go. Welcome to the lake. So I'm trying to negotiate for a good price so that I can get into the lake using the boat. So let's see how it goes. See you on the next. Look at this bed here. It's a beautiful bed. So there's fish eagle. This is a Bigfoot fish eagle. In Shona we call it Ungwe. Fish eagle. Wow, it's a beautiful bird. So the fish eagle is a symbol. So it symbolizes on the Zimbabwe flag as the Zimbabwean bird. This one here that you see. So it is, wow, it is a totem and symbol of power for the action, for the ancient Wunga tribe. Wow, it's a loud bird. Can you do some more? Wow, look at these lovely birds. Rukudzi, it's a falcon. That one there. We call it in Shona Rukudzi. And I've got a zizi, an owl. And a lot of people that don't want to be associated with the zizi. Some owls as well, yeah. We call this zizi an owl. It's associated with different things, but it's a good bird. But in Shona, I don't know why we scared of zizi. Look at this. It's an owl. Wow, it's a beautiful bird, eh? Look. Wow, big eyes, eh? It's a nice bird, eh? What does it eat? Chicks, eh? Wow. Zizi. It's a bunny owl. It's what? Or spotted owl. Wow, they are all found in Africa, especially in Zimbabwe. Wow, nice birds, eh? So we're getting inside now to see the birds. We got another zizi too here as well, and we got a giant eagle. Look at that, a giant eagle, owl. Wow, look at it, very beautiful. Huh? Wow, this is what we call a snake eagle. Don't play around with this snake eagle. It catches snakes here in Africa. Very beautiful birds here. Wow. The black-breasted snake eagle. Those two there. The sound that you hear is for birds. Wow. African harrier. That's an African harrier, that one. It's a hawk. Very beautiful bird. African harrier. The African harrier. This bird is something else. Oh. It's a hawk. All right. And they call it a harrier. It's beautiful, eh? The deer can hang upside down. It's a beautiful bird. Wow. Here we got another one here. It's a lizard buster. It eats lizard. In Shona, it's called rukodzi. That's a rukodzi bird there. So it feeds on lizards. It's an eagle there, over there. And there's got a lot of space here. So that's a crowned eagle. In Shona, we call it gondo. So this bird here that you see, we call it a crowned eagle. And according to the information which is here, it is a bird of prey found in sub-Saharan Africa, in southern Africa. Although not the biggest eagle in Africa, the crowned eagle is considered the most powerful and ferocious eagle based on the size of its prey. And ferocious eagle based on the size of the prey. So it weighs about 2.5 kgs to 4.5 kg. Regularly kills prey heavier than itself. That bird you see over there, very powerful bird. That you see there, it's called a martial eagle. It's capable of knocking a grown adult to his feet. So this place here is being supported by Charles Stewart, Day Old Chicks. Shout out to you, Charles Stewart. You're doing a good job feeding these birds here. And also here, I think we've got chapungu in Shona. Wow. English name is an eagle, short-tailed eagle. And we've got a white-backed vulture as well. which is over there. Look at this beautiful bed here, guys. Very beautiful. It's ready to strike. Wow. How are you? With water. Look at this lovely bed here. Wow. Look at that. Very beautiful bed. Wow. So I'm told it can fly upside down, huh? Yeah, it's called an African Harrier hawk. It can fly upside down. So what it does, I'm told here, the bird has a small head which allows it to prey into cervix and holes in trees. So this bird can hang upside down on very thin branches because of its very light bed, weighing as much as 750 grams. This is wonderful. It can actually hang upside down. Can you see that? This is beautiful. Very light bed. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. African Harrier hawk. Ashley, what did you learn here at Kuimba Shiri, Ashley?
That owls are very pretty birds.
Owls are very pretty birds?
Eagles are very strong to the point where they can knock out a man.
Wow.
Like my dad.
Never. So I've got Miss Timper here as well. What did you learn, Miss Timper, about these birds?
Oh, we've got such a variety of birds that I didn't know. Beautiful, different types of birds. And we don't see them out there.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
I've always wanted to know the names of birds. So I'm actually taking it as a learning process of, as I'm reading and learning the names of the birds.
wow, that's nice, huh?
Yeah.
With me here, I've got Lucy. So what did you learn here about the birds here at Kuimba Shiri? And what have you grasped so far?
I learned about the peacock. No, the pigeon there. It is so interesting.
Wow.
It can dance for you. And I didn't know also pigeons, they can flip their feathers like a peacock. It was beautiful.
What about that African Harrier there?
Yeah, that one which was going upside down. It's
Yeah. It's an interesting bird, huh? Right, let's go. Michaela, I've got Michaela here too as well. Hey, what did you learn? What did you learn here? Huh? Huh? What did you learn about these birds here? Huh? What did you learn? Huh? Huh? Look at this giant eagle owl. It's sleepy in the afternoon. Look at it. It's sleepy. Already it's sleeping, huh? Wow. It's a nice bird, huh? It's eagle here. Very strong legs, huh? Powerful legs. And it's a strong bird. Wallbag. Eagle. Wallbags. Wow. Can you do one more show for us, please? Hey, it's got a strong legs, huh? Hey, look at those legs. Come. Yeah. Look at this hooded vulture. It's white in color. Beautiful bird. Look at this vulture here. This is the vulture that we know here in Africa. It cleans the bush and the forest. This is the cleaner of the forest. The vulture as well.
This one is similar. The colors are similar to that. The other one, the light one.
Oh, the area, the hook, the owl. Yeah, it's similar. And it's light as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what we call iris, hawk eagle. This bird is found in Sierra Leone, east to Somalia and southern to northern Namibia, northern South Africa, and most parts of Zimbabwe. You find this bird here. So the rain season, it moves out of the dense and taller evergreen woodlands of Central Africa into more open tree savanna. This bird that you see here, it's a lovely bird. The hawk eagle. It's called an African hawk eagle. Very beautiful, beautiful bird. So what it does here, in Shona we call it gondo. Gondo. So here in Zimbabwe, when you say, ndichamboenda unokwira gondo, it will be meaning that I'm going to catch the aeroplane. So this is the gondo. Powerful bird. African hawk eagle. To the entrance to the bird walk. So let's go and walk with the birds. Sort of like a gate. Hey, look at this bird here. What's the name of this bird? It's beautiful, huh?
Blue and gold mako.
Hey.
Blue and gold. Why gold? There's gold. The beak is gold. Where's the blue? So that's not even black.
This bird here that you see, it's considered one of the most intelligent birds of these parrots. Very nice bird. Beautiful bird. Look at the color. Wow. Green winged macaw. So we find this bird in Southern America. Very beautiful bird. Ducks here too as well. Beautiful ducks here. Cape parrot. That's a Cape parrot, Southern and Central Africa. You find these birds here. Nice, beautiful birds. It's cleaning itself. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at the throat or whatever, the neck.
Look at that. This is quite interesting, huh? Look at this turkey. So I'm told this one is the male. It attracts the female by opening its back. Wow. Look at that. Look at this bird. Very beautiful bird. It's taller. It's a very tall bird. Wow. To find out the name of the bird, if anyone of you, of my subscribers, if you know this is the name of this bird, please let me know. It's a very interesting bird. It's tall, very tall and beautiful and very active. Look at this bird here. I'm told this is the male. Look at that. Very beautiful bird. It's colorful. This is the white peacock, huh? Very beautiful. Huh?
Dendera.
Yeah, it's called dendera. Very tall as well. It's got a big beak. The history about this bird, they mate for life and will produce one chick in 3 years. Can you believe this bird here produced chicks in 3 years? Wow. Produces. Can you do it again?
Asma, you ignoring me. Look at me.
This boat here. And over there, crossing another. We're coming out, me and Michaela, we're coming out of the bird sanctuary. So we need to open the gate. This is how we're opening the gate. So we're going to go and enjoy the show.
Flight, and Molly just decided to go off for 3 days, and that was that. So yeah, we need you to go to pass when we're flying the bird. I know there's still people crawling it. They're continually coming slowly, but flying the bird. So yeah, so that's how it started. And then I was looking, I thinking, wow, I was just going to build a house here for my dogs and my birds and myself, my family. I put no. I've got to take a right there. Okay, just gently on his head.
You want to go?
What's he feel like?
You can touch it.
Soft like cotton. A little boy the other day said nothing. Oh, yeah, come sweetie. Oh, this is one of my favorite girls. I don't care. Is he so? Because he'll be scared, you know. Right, owls. How many types of zizi have we got? Zimbabweans here? How many types of zizi have we got? Because in Africa, most of the black Africans are scared of owls. Eh? They're associated with witchcraft. And with us Mabunus, we think if an owl lands on your roof, somebody old is going to die. If you come from Afghanistan, they say the owl brings good news. If you come from India, the owl is the god of wealth. Every culture has got what not because of superstition or superstition. They live with people because they eat rats and mice that are eating your chicken food, that are causing problems. So they like to live around people because they can eat rats and mice. So I did say earlier on that it's hard to get the adults to sit down, but the attention span is shaped like satellite dishes. Now we'll talk about a little bit about design, okay? The face is shaped like a satellite dish because they use their hearing for hunting more than their eyesight. Their eyesight is 8 times stronger than ours, but their hearing is acute. What's amazing is the owl's ears are in front. One ear is higher than the other. Think about that, running up and down, or a spider or a beetle. And you can see this on David Attenborough's documentary, The Life of Birds. Our birds did that shot. So you can see the owl listening for a mice or a spider, and if the ears were level like ours, you can tell the direction, but not the distance. Finding it so it can do that. That means there's a designer. On top of it, you touched him, you felt he was very soft. He's got feathers that are designed in such a way so that when he flies, he's silent. So that, why would he need to be silent?
They don't know he's coming.
No. Think about that. So if this thing was supposed to evolve over 1 million years and blah, 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 in 1 week, the species is gone before we can work that one out. So you see, this is a spotted eagle owl. They designed for sitting in a tree, waiting at night, waiting for a gonzo to come along. They also hunt birds and that, but they beautifully designed with their pattern to be camouflaged in a tree. And they got those tufts on the head. The devil in my garden because he's got horns. It's not the bird of the devil. Damn, look at that. The tufts on his head, just to break up the shape so that it's harder to see in the bush. It's just, like a soldier would put branches and twigs in his helmet. Exactly the same thing. So owls are beautifully made for that. Now, when he comes down and catch them sitting there eating, watch how quickly, just turn him this way so people, oh, they also want to see. You're getting your carcass in the way. Hold it like that. Right. Watch here how quickly he can swallow a whole chicken. 1, 2, 3. I need this puppy to sit down. There we go. Yeah. So you see, should we do another one?
Yeah, another one.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. He's full maybe, but I think he can put it down. Let's see.
Look at that. Very fast. The chick into the mouth.
Eh?
The owl.
Is that amazing?
It's amazing.
So, and if you got mom and dad and maybe 4 or 5 babies, you can do the math. You work out how many gonzos the owls eat. So I get people phoning me, oh, I've got owls around my house in wherever, neighborhood. So have you got chicken? No, but my neighbor has. The reason the owls are there is because your neighbor's got chickens and they're feeding the rats that are coming to eat the chicken. The skinny white legs. Oh yeah. Am I right? Yeah. Anyway, here comes Twiggy. Now Twiggy is a secretary bird. All these birds, you must remember, and Twiggy she came here 6 months ago. I've got a whole string of people right in the middle of my flying zone. Oi, come Twig.
That's Twig over there. Wow. Look at that. That's Twig. Wow, that's Twig.
Twig is a secretary bird. You can see she's fully flighted. She can fly. She can fly. These birds love to run on the savannas. Sorry, I don't know whose puppies those are.
Look at Twiggy. That's a beautiful bird.
Right. Now, secretary birds eat small birds and snakes, especially in the bush. But what's quite cool is here I got a cobra. Okay.
Wow.
Twiggy's going to catch a cobra. Let's show you what she does.
Catches a
Right,
cobra.
Twix. Look at that. Go and box it. Whoop. Come on, do
That's
it again.
nice.
That's not even killing it. She'd go.
Twig is
and she'll
about to
box
kill a
it on
cobra.
the head because she knows the head is where the teeth are. There you go. She's too clever. She's too fast. That's really half-hearted.
He's eating bananas.
Looking at the dove. There you go.
He's eating bananas.
Last one.
Quite interesting. So Twig is.
Chicken.
So she's quite cool, isn't she? She's only 6 months old. She's a baby. And I mean, she's just perfect.
She's eating chickens.
Sorry?
She's eating chickens.
Yeah. Inject poison. Okay. Designed to protect themselves. And why did she box the snake on the head? Because she's clever enough to know that the other end hasn't got teeth. Isn't it?
Mama,
So she'll box it on the head, kill it, and then she would consume it.
what's that? It's a live bird.
Okay? Quite cool. Right, here comes Lusted with another bird I got from near Chigutu 15 years ago.
That's an owl.
15 years ago.
Wow.
Jimmy is a gymnogene. A gymnogene. Look how bright red her face is. When she gets excited, she goes red. Okay? When they get excited, they go red, they blush. And it shows expression. You can see her face from here, how bright it is, isn't it? When she's thinking about food, she'll go back to her yellow color. Okay? Jimmy is a gymnogene. Right. So, gymnogenes are quite spectacular because they've got double jointed legs. They can put their foot, their whole leg into a hole, and they can look for baby birds down a hole. They'll put their foot down there, they would look for a baby bird because they got these double jointed legs. And if you watch Life of Birds with Attenborough, you'll see our gymnogene also featured in that documentary. There she is. Us people with a light complexion, you know, when you see the wife's got a red face, You either know you're going to get lucky or you're in trouble. Normally the latter. So it's the same. Out soon enough. So there we got Jimmy as the gymno sack. That's also allowed. We need people to sit when we're flying the birds, okay? Wow. Right, we're going to fly our... No, I'm lying. 5 years. 5 years. Going on 6 years. Got her from near Binga. She'd fallen out the nest. And of course, she would have been eaten on the ground. But vultures are amazing. Why do I say vultures are amazing? Well, we saw the gymnogene with its legs. Look at this bird. Oh, and that's why I need people to stay seated. Because if you get in the way and she flies into you. That was nice and close. Do you know the vulture? What's the purpose of the vulture? And don't tell me muti. But in most of Africa, the people think that if you eat the head of the vulture, you can become a prophet. Okay, you can foretell the future. Vultures, in fact, are the undertakers. They clean the bush. So should an animal die, and you know it might die of anthrax. Does anybody know about anthrax? Anthrax is a deadly disease. And okay, those diseases, if they passed on to other people or to other animals, it'll carry on. Anthrax, rabies, and so on. A vulture's digestive juices are 100 times stronger than ours. A dog's digestive juices are only 10 times stronger than ours. So they can eat bones and digest it. Vultures can eat bones, digest it. They can eat anthrax, they can eat rabies, and they are unaffected by it. So they clean the bush so that the disease doesn't spread from the dead animal to other animals, and eventually most people don't know, and to be honest, most people don't care. But when you get anthrax, then I'll be the giggling one. Okay, so anyway, Vinny is a very important bird to inform people. The other thing is, of course, if you're only worried about the law, if you get caught with vulture parts, 9 years in Chickaruby Resort. Every Zimbo knows what Chickaruby Resort's like. Okay, so it's got the same protection as the... Oh, you only seen him here. They're now 28.
Here we are, we've got a fish eagle coming too.
I used to be slim like you. I've never ever happened. Anyway, we're going to fly a fish eagle now.
One day.
Okay, so we're going to do it again. You know what to expect. So keep the children there, people who can't, or even go around a little bit. If you got a camera, you want to come this side, you can come over.
Come, let's go.
Hey, Jerome, shoot off. Okay. I'm going to throw a chicken halfway between her and me. Thank you, Laston. I'm going to throw chicken halfway, and she's going to come and catch it. She's shouting at the crow. So fish eagles eat other birds as well. That's why I'm having to rebuild that whole new section there, because they killed 4 of my flamingos last year. And if you watch Attenborough's documentary, the eagles, you'll see where the fish eagles in Lake Chivero only eat flamingo. There's no fish there. So that's what they do. I'm going to throw it in halfway. Are you all ready? Yeah. Set. Go!
Look at that. Wow.
Oh,
Missed.
She's going to turn around.
Missed. Wow. Very fast. Picked it up.
Oh, you guys are fancy. She's going to... She's 28 years old. What happened was I had three babies were brought into us. 2, 3, go!
I throw it.
Amazing. When he's going back, we just witnessed how an eagle catches a chick or a foot in the lake.
Okay. So we managed to...
Everyone is going back. Let's go and see another show again. It's a beautiful show here at Kuimba Shiri.
In a stoop at over 400 k's an hour.
Wow.
400. So what I'm going to do is I've got a lure. I've got a nice jongwe on a string, and I'm going to swing a lure. It'll be like a bird flying. So I'm going to let the falcon miss it a few times, and then we'll see. We'll bring him in quite close to you, see how you do. Sorry, Troy, can you guys just move because the falcon can do. This little guy I've had 3 years now. Hey!
Hey, it's fast, eh?
And he didn't know how to fly. Hey!
Hey, can you sit? Hey, that was close, eh?
Come on,
Jeez.
little guy.
This is too close.
And it's very fast,
Look
bird.
at the faces, yeah. Lovely. Wow.
You can't catch him.
Hey, hey, it comes fast, eh?
Well done. One more time. One more time. Hey!
Look at that.
Right, watch him. I'm going to let him catch it this time. Hey, hey!
Jeez, what a spectacular show.
So imagine that little guy 3 years ago. He had no tail feathers, no wing feathers. He was put in a bird cage. And as his tail feathers and his wing feathers grew, February last year, said, right, let's take him out. We'll start training him to fly. He needs to learn to fly. He needs to learn to catch. He needs to learn to turn and stoop. And you might have seen the one time when he was coming in, he closed up his wings nicely. That's the beginning of the stoop. So he does that very, very well, and he's ready now. When he wants to, he can go back to the wild. So, yeah, another success story. I'm going to fly another one now. Her name is Shop Shop. I've had Shop Shop now 5 or 6 years. She also came in. She was picked up on this quite bright. She realized that. Out the way. There we go. Out the way. Yeah. Thank you. Come, Shop.
Hey.
Come on, you. Hey. Come on. Through the head.
Look at that.
Come on. Through these heads. Come. Lovely. That was a nice twist. Through the
Wait.
faces.
Look.
Come on, you. Come on.
That was fast.
Well done, eh? Lovely. Oh yeah, great shame, because then they become valueless. Okay, if you're allowed to utilize species sustainably, you can do that. So there's Molly. So things didn't work out for the people that brought her in, and she ended up here. Watch now. There's a dummy bunny there. Go! Faster! Okay,
Jeez.
that's exactly what they would do. It's going up the wall. Keep well. Drive carefully. It's a jungle out there. And keep your heads down. It's election time. Glad it only comes around every few years, eh?
Cheers. See you in the next. Chicken in.
Thank you.
All your chickens in. It's all done, and that's done. You're going home.
But you know what? How can you not love a Zimbabwe
Wow,
sunset?
look at the sunset, eh? Beautiful. People die for this sunset, eh?
You know what? I would die if I didn't have this.
Look at our beautiful sunset in Zimbabwe. Ungwe. Look at this eagle here. The parrot. How you doing? My name is GK. On YouTube, GK Zim. This is a nice bar that you have here. How long have you been working here?
Like a year.
A year. Wow, that's a nice bar. See you in the next. So this place here, in 1999 when we had heavy rains, it got flooded. So actually, it got flooded. The water came to the edge, and this was the floods that came before and after. So the water actually came right straight here on the garden. They caught a python here. Xmas 2007, Zimbabwe economy suffering, Gonos risk. Look at the money. 2007. I'm told that this lake here in November 2010, it ate about 19 people, and they caught it. This big crocodile here, the man eater. Getting the boat with the VW 2023. This is the 2023 Amarok. Wow, this is nice, huh? Look at this. And how much is it?
It's on the card. I sold them for
78.
70.
70. It's all yours. And how many of these are here in Zim at the moment?
I've sold 2 so far.
2 so far. You got how many?
Third one.
You got 3.
This is the third one I've bought it.
Is it? So you're making money, man. I love your job. So where you guys situated?
Auto, Cambridge Road, just off
King George.
King George and Cambridge, right opposite Sunrise.
Is it? There we are, guys. These he sold 3 of these. Out of those 3, those are the first ones in Zimbabwe. So if you see them on the road of Zim, he is the man, he is the guy, he is the salesman. Look at this. At Kuimba Shiri, they've got lovely, lovely chalets, and they're building 1, 2, 3, 4 right now, which means business is good. So they've got 1, 2, 3, 4 for $90 a night. Lovely chalets. All they are full, they are occupied. One, two, three. So there's 8, 7, 6, 5. There will be 4, 3, 2, and 1. So they'll have 8 in total. And these are full over the weekend. It's Sunday. So they're actually building. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they'll be ready. Wow.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day.